Welcome to our channel. Deleting or removing a crypto wallet requires careful steps to ensure you don't lose access to your funds permanently. Step 1. Before deleting anything, make absolutely certain you have your recovery phrase or private keys securely backed up and accessible. Step 2. Transfer all cryptocurrency assets from the wallet you want to delete to another secure wallet that you control. Step 3. Verify all transactions have been confirmed on the blockchain before proceeding to ensure your funds are safely transferred. Step 4. Double-check that no assets, including tokens or NFTs, remain in the wallet you're planning to delete. Step 5. For mobile wallet apps, simply delete the app from your device after ensuring all assets are transferred and backed up. Step 6. For browser extensions like MetaMask, remove the extension from your browser through the Extensions Management page. Step 7. Securely destroy or delete any digital copies of private keys associated with the wallet you're removing. Step 8. Keep your recovery phrase stored safely even after deletion, as it may be needed for tax purposes or if you need to recover old transaction history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.